Oh, before we do that, Mom, will you please recite Shakespeare? Please. Okay, let's give her a try. Let's give her some support. And action.
Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. I come to bury Caesar, not to praise him. The evil that men do lives after them. The good is oft interred with their bones. So let it be with Caesar. The noble Brutus have told you Caesar was ambitious. If it be so, it was a grievous fault, and grievously have Caesar answered it. Here under leave of Brutus and the rest, for Brutus is an honorable man. So are they all honorable men. Come I to speak at Caesar's funeral. He was my friend, faithful and just to me. But Brutus says he was ambitious, and Brutus is an honorable man. I speak not to disprove what Brutus spoke, but here am I to speak what I do know. You all did love him once, not without cause. What cause withholds you then to mourn for him? Oh, judgment, thou hast turned to Brutus' beast, and men have lost their reason. Bear with me. My heart lies in the coffin there with Caesar, and I must pause till it come back to me.
You want to do a third one? Okay, I think we stop there. Wow.
I'm just kidding.
Ooh. Now, I've always said my mom is very dramatic. But that's talent, right? That's talent. I think we need to see you in a movie.
No, we
need
don't.
to see you on
No,
we do. We need to see you have a scene in a movie.